welcome back to my kitchen. It is May. I have an abundance of lilacs in my front yard, which are my favorite flower. And every year I always want to try to make something with the lilacs, which are apparently edible, and every year I get distracted and don't. So this year I got up this morning and I picked what was supposed to be a recipe calling for 4 cups of lilac florets, but I got to 2 cups and it's very tedious. I will show you after how you pluck them off. And so unless this tastes like gold, I am going to be done. So this is, before rinsing, 2 cups of lilac flowers, which I'm going to put into my pan with 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of water. I'm going to bring those to a boil over medium-high heat. So these are a little wilted. I picked them about 8 hours ago in the morning when I was full of energy, and I thought, ooh, it's going to be fun. Let me try making this lilac syrup. So apparently, when you pick them off, you have to be very careful not to get this little green part right there. You see that? So a lot of times when you pick it, do you see that green part there? A lot of times when you pluck it, well, it's not, the green part comes off too. And then I have the green part in here. See, like that one.
Okay, hold on.
Because apparently those little green parts make it bitter, so I probably have a few. But let me tell you, 2 cups of this is incredibly tedious. So unless this tastes like magic, I'm not sure I'll ever do it again. Never mind the amounts of spiders and bugs and things in there that I just don't like. But mostly, it took me an hour to get to 2 cups. So anyway, when it's done in about 8 hours, because it has to boil, and then it has to just steep like tea for 7-8 hours, and then we'll see what it tastes like together and whether or not it was worth it. Back. It's been about 12 hours since I set this to steep, maybe a little longer. I had to work today, so now I'm back. I'm going to strain the lilacs through a strainer. So it's about 1 cup of water, 1 cup of sugar, 2 cups of lilac leaves, and I've got, I don't know, about 1.5 cups of lilac syrup. Just push it through. Hopefully there is no spiders. Ugh, gross. I tried really hard to make sure it was good and clean, and I saw a recommendation to put a couple of blueberries in, so to make it a prettier color. A couple of blueberries, probably about 6 blueberries in there. And here we go. So I am going to have to take a different day to try it with lemonade, or maybe we'll make a fancy drink next weekend and we'll try it then. So I'm going to give it a taste. Are we ready?
Let's look at that face.
Oh my god. It tastes like lilacs. It's kind of weird. Tastes a little bit like that Thrill gum. You know, that little purple gum that tasted like soap? It's
right.
Literally, it just tastes like lilacs. It's weird. I don't dislike it, but I also don't love it. It's weird. I'm going to try it and find a recipe for a good drink, and we'll meet up again. We'll have it in a drink, not just straight syrup. Definitely tastes like lilacs, though. Really weird. Oh, weird. I don't know what I think. I don't know what I think. Try it in a gin drink, and then I'll let you know.
Alright, so I'm going to try the lilac syrup, and we'll see what this tastes like, and I'm really not looking forward to it. What the hell is that smell? I don't
Lilacs. It's
It
lilacs.
doesn't smell like lilac.
Sugar.
It smells like dirty laundry. It's gross. Alright. Like, the sugar is good. I can taste the sugar, like the syrupy part of it. No, the flavor is just bad.
I didn't dislike it. It tastes like lilacs. It's weird. It's weird. I'm gonna try it with some gin.
Just leave the lilacs in the trees. Wow. I don't even know how to describe it. I don't really smell the lilac, and I didn't really taste it. It kind of, yeah, I don't know. I just don't like it.
Fair enough. We'll try it with gin.
I don't like gin either.
Well, I might like it then. All right, thanks. Oh, hey, welcome back. So I did not love my lilac syrup yesterday, so I looked up a fancy drink recipe. I'm going to make a lilac gin and tonic. Yep, still smells like lilacs. I think I like them better on the tree, but hey. So I don't have a shaker, so I'm going to use this basic cup. I'm going to put in 1 shot glass full of gin in my shot glass given to me by my daughter when she came back from Peru. The gin is Tanqueray, imported from London. It was the one the lady at the liquor store recommended to me. So 1 shot of that. I'm going to do 1 shot of the lilac syrup. It's kind of an interesting color. And then it called for 4 ounces, so I already put 1 in, so I'll do 3 more shots of this. 1, 2, 3, almost a full bottle. I'll move my phone. And I don't know if this will work, but I had heard, it is pretty pink, that you'll get a nice color change when you squeeze in a lemon. So let's see. Is it changing color?
I don't know. It's pink on the bottom.
And then we pull off some of these pretty lilacs. Let's hope there's no spiders. I didn't wash it. There we go. I gotta take a picture before I take a drink. What? Oh yeah, I'm gonna try. So I'm gonna give it another stir. I don't really know if I like the way the syrup smells. It's weird. Alright, bottoms up. Oh, no. Oh, it's pretty good. Yeah, I like it.
Yeah, but would you like it better without the syrup?
I don't know. I'd have to make 2, have them side by side. The little flowers are not
Yeah,
that.
probably you should just put the sprig in, and then.
I know, but the picture must be pretty.
I know.
Yeah, I do like that. I do like that, but I also like gin, so.